Hi guys, this is Mike from 161 Power Sports, and today we bring you the Apollo Z40. Let me show you something. So this thing right here comes equipped with 16-inch rims in the front. In the back, you have 14s. All right. So you have slightly bigger in the front than the back. So this right here has a double-side beam for support on the engine. So you know, whenever you're riding, engine doesn't move around, all this stuff. You keep it safe. I mean, you maybe fall over or anything like that. I mean, the engine's gonna be just as safe. Apollo X18, X4, X6, there's a lot of different models. None of them have this. I mean, this is top of the line. It's a brand new model. We just came in. It's a big brother to the RFZ Apollo 20. Similar, but this one comes souped up, ready to go. Let me show you some things on this side. So, I mean, basics. I mean, you still have your regular kill switch, your clutch lever right here. This one right here, your front brake, your throttle, pretty responsive as well. You do have right here, let me show you. So this is the other side of the beam, as you saw on the opposite side. Zoom in on the carburetor right here. NIBBI carburetor. So have you ever heard of like Mikuni? Maybe all those carburetors are like aftermarket carburetors that people actually put when they purchase the bike. But this one already comes with it installed. I mean, tuned, ready to go. I mean, this thing it's gonna run. This one is equipped with 11 horsepower. The Z20, which is the same model, comes with a regular carburetor from stock. This one already upgraded for roughly about the same price. Okay, this is a 40. So as you can see on the front, has your inverted forks. So for better handling, I mean, when you're riding off-road, all that good stuff is gonna be really, really good. Let me show you right here in the back. So this one right here comes with a stainless steel exhaust. So I mean, that's gonna be really, really good. I don't think X18, none of that. I mean, have all these features for roughly around the same price. I mean, you really can't beat that at all. You still have your, you know, disc brakes right here, front and the back. You do have your upgraded spark plugs as well. I mean, this thing's ready to go. Right here, this sticker right here says vehicle is a competition vehicle and is for use exclusively in close course competition. So I mean, this thing is no joke. I mean, this thing is meant for competition. It's a competition bike. 11 horsepower, like I said, roughly about 140 cc. This thing is nice. So like I said, I mean, you guys want to come check this out, anything, we're at 161 Power Sports, 1290 West Pioneer Parkway, Grand Prairie, Texas. If you guys call us, everything will be down in the link below, so just let us know. And now we're going to show you some test drives, okay? Alright guys, so let me show you how to fire this bad boy up. So, obviously you have the key, the ignition switch. Flip that bad boy on right here, located in the front of your dirt bike. The kill switch right here, it's in the off position, so make sure you put it on run. Right on the bottom right here, always make sure your fuel line is on. And then you do have the choke, which is this one right here. At the up position, it'll be on, and at the off position, which is as it is, it'll be off. So we already turned it on and everything, so we will not need the choke. Right. Your Kickstarter is on your right side, right here. Now, what it takes is one kick. Let me show you. It's a 4-speed. So all of them will be up and all of them will be down. First one. That thing sounds nice, runs great. I mean, if you want to see more things, just make sure you like, subscribe, and share this to your friends. Like I said, we're at 1290 West Pioneer Parkway. This is 161 Power Sports. So we have a website, phone number. I mean, all that would be down below. Like I said, we do offer really, really great prices. We do financing, layaway. We do all of that stuff. So hablamos español. So, si alguien quiere una moto, cuatrimoto, go-kart, lo que sea, aquí estamos en Grand Prairie, Texas. Nomás nos puede llamar, puede visitar. Tenemos otras locaciones en Grand Prairie, muchos modelos. So, like I said, let us know. This is Mike signing out.